Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baby Landwolf token. Now the Baby Landwolf token is trending #1 right now on pinksale.finance. They only have a couple hours left of this pre-sale to go. By the time I upload this video, there's going to be about 3 or 4 hours left to go. This is just a short pre-sale that went on basically for looks like 6 hours only. Very short pre-sale. It's basically just at the top of the launchpad list, so it just got put into the launchpad list, started their pre-sale right away, and it's already almost halfway over. So go check out this pre-sale as soon as you can. It is a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. It's on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the information on the Baby Landwolf token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So on PinkSale, you can find a link to their webpage, a link to their Telegram group, and a link to their Twitter. So the socials there is where you're going to see all the updates regarding this token, like new listings, new partnerships, all that type of stuff. I'm going to put their Twitter as usual up here in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Babywolf Soul. Real easy to find that. And they also have a Telegram at Babywolf Soul, which has 221 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates along with the Twitter here. It says, get ready to join the Babywolf movement following the footsteps of Dad Wolf. So they just joined Twitter in June 2024. 706 Twitter followers so far, 6 posts. And in their pinned tweet there, they have a link to the PinkSale pre-sale. So basically, if you just go to this Twitter, you can find the pre-sale. Now, they just tweeted out 25 minutes ago, put it in their pinned tweet. It says, less than 1 hour, we filled the soft cap. Don't wait until the last minute to buy. The team can close the fair launch at any time. So also it says they did some burning here. So their tweet after that, it says, get ready to join the Babywolf movement, following the footsteps of the Dad Wolf, which did 70 million. Babywolf is your second chance. It says LP burnt on day 1, deck screener advertising, Dex Tools, Moon Talk, Ave, and Double Trending, it says. So they're pretty active on the socials here, doing a bunch of tweets and all sorts of stuff here. But yeah, if you don't know what Landwolf is, well, there's a Matt Fury comic book called The Boysclub, and it has Pepe, the very famous Pepe meme token in there, and then we got Brett, Andy, Landwolf, and Bird Dog. And then so, you know, all those by themselves were very popular tokens individually. And so when that happens, you know, there was the Baby Brett token that came out. That one was very popular. Ticker symbol BBRET. Check out that video. I'll try to remember to link it at the end of this one. Yeah, now we have Baby Landwolf. So it says the baby meta is getting started. Baby Pepe already exists. Baby Wolf. And then, yeah, so lots of cool memes on the Twitter. Check it out. They showed like the whole family of babies. Now on PinkSale here, they're still trending #1, doing very well. Their soft cap was set at 50 SOL. And so right now, I mean, the pre-sale has only been live for less than an hour and a half. They've already reached 48.15 SOL, so they're almost at the soft cap already. They still got a lot of time left. So it says, get ready to join the movement. Launch on Raydium will be today. So the Raydium launch is going to be June 19th, 15 hours UTC time. So almost immediately, right after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium. We'll talk about that in a second. So yeah, it says day one, all those things, Moon Talk, Dex Screener, double trending, etc. Day two, they're going to have the CoinMarketCap application, CoinGecko application, trending, content creators. Name of the token is Baby and then space Landwolf, all one word. And ticker symbol is Babywolf, all one word. 9 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now, pre-sale started today, basically June 19th at 9 a.m. UTC time. Finishes June 19th, 15 hours UTC time. And then right after that, it's just going straight over to Raydium. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, right after the pre-sale is over, you can get the token off Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your Solflare or Phantom wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, babywolf.top. You may have to set slippage. Let me scroll down here, see if it says anything about 0% taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. And yeah, you may be able to get the token off Raydium, Jupiter, could be Orca, Meteora coming in the future, and then maybe some central exchanges coming up as well. Now, their token metrics allocation pie chart's pretty straightforward here. 84% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 15.96% of the tokens go to liquidity. So, the Boysclub is uniting in the baby version. Get ready to join the Babywolf movement following the footsteps of Dad Wolf. Babywolf is a fan-created project inspired by the humor and camaraderie of beloved characters like Pepe, Andy, Wolf, and Brett. Babywolf brings those iconic personalities to the blockchain in the charming baby form. Our community is fueled by memes and laughter, where jokes flow as effortlessly as transactions. Join in celebrating the lighter side of crypto with Babywolf and be a part of the genuine meme-driven movement that combines fun and blockchain technology. So go check out this project. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes. Hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.